inspiration of the day, or awareness to go, or the best takeaway of being still. Just hear a ship crossing because I'm sitting at the River Rhine, at the shore, and if a ship is crossing or traffic is on the other side, you can hear it sometimes. Yeah, like this noise you are facing in my video, same noise are your emotions making inside your head, your ego, repetitive emotions and thoughts like, oh, I have to reach this, or I have to do this, and comparing situations or people or things, labeling things. Yeah, this is the mental noise. Now, my idea is, can you step out of this merry-go-round of thoughts and emotions and watch yourself? Be the observer of your thoughts. Can you be still inside and stop your mental noise? Just try to observe several times a day, if you remember, if you can step out of your thoughts and be still without thinking or feeling anything. Just be still. You can write into your comments, you can write inside the comments, oh my god, I have chaos in my head already. Yeah, write it down inside the comments. I would be great if you would share your experience